If you're changing your career in your 30s, you're not alone. This video doesn't give you a solution, but a relatable journey. For years, motovlogging has been my thing. Well, I don't hate it, but for now, I'm just putting it on hold. After my marriage, I took a reality check. All those motovloggers you see on YouTube, they're not even 1% of the ones who planned motovlogging. It just worked for them. Here in India, almost everyone who got their new motorbike wants to do motovlogging, and then later realize the amount of money it costs, the amount of trouble you'll need to endure just to go on a 100-kilometer road trip, all while capturing the footage. You gotta have some financial freedom to just go on. For the most of us, life happens. For now, my financial position is different. My monthly earnings barely cover my monthly expenses. I'm making it right. For now, I'm fixing my finances. I'm transitioning my life with a few goals in mind. My mission is this. At least one of my side hustles needs to make exactly the amount of money my day job makes. I'm gonna document the journey and possibly build a community along the way. I have a few things on my mind to make it work. So far nothing has worked, but I'm pretty sure I'll get there. With the right amount of effort and a little bit of time, it's what most of us do. It just works. Welcome to the real world. Welcome to the Broke Bikers Club.
Subscribe, yo.